package that came yesterday, and I'm so excited because this company reached out to me if I want to do a collaboration with them, and of course I said yes. This is a Replica company that they have shoes, bags, scarves, jewelry, and accessories. If you're interested, you can check their website. They have a lot of stuff. So here is a package. FedEx. I was so excited to get the package, and here's the box. Before that, if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed, subscribe now, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. The one that they sent me is a jewelry. Of course, I love jewelry, and who doesn't love jewelry? I will be doing unboxing and show you guys what's in the box. Yay! This one is a big box, but let's find out what's in it. Here it is. If you're a jewelry lover, you better watch this video. This is sent to me by TOPREP company. I don't know if I pronounce it right. TOPREP. I can't pronounce it very good, but anyway, yeah, so let's get started. Can't wait to show you guys, what they sent me. Actually, I'm the one who picked the jewelry myself. They sent me this jewelry bag, and it says Cartier. I don't know if I pronounce it right. I like the color. It's red. What's in here? Ooh, I like this. Look at the inside. And there's something over here. It's a certificate. And then that one. I really like it. It's so cute. And then you can just close it. Or you could just do it like that or close it. I like it. It's like a kind of a booklet. That's a pretty cool, certificate. You can put this inside there. And the best part that I'm going to show you is this. It's in the jewelry box. I really love their packaging. Very fancy. And look at that. And it says there. This would be perfect for any occasion, especially that, for anniversaries, birthdays, Christmas, or, whatever you feel like giving it to your loved ones. Yes, that would be perfect for that. I really love the color of this. Let's open the box. Ta-da! Ooh, that's cool. That is so pretty. Pretty box. If you're interested, I do have a coupon code for you. It's right here. I will put everything, the code and the link, in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Oh, look at this jewelry box. It's so pretty. The detail of that one. Yeah. And over here, you can open it like that or push it maybe. Yeah. Oh. It's a necklace. The one I picked, they have tons of necklace, bracelets. So I picked the necklace because I love necklace. Right now I'm not wearing any. I love it. This is a short chain. The necklace is short. And look at that one, guys. It's so pretty. The chain, it's not long. Let's find that out. I really like that. There's the gems in there. We'll see as soon as I try this on. I love the design of this necklace. I'm having trouble putting this on. Just a second. Finally, I think it's just me. But anyway, yeah, that's why it looks like. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. Let's see. So yeah, that's that. I like the length. It's not really too tight on my neck. I'll wear this tomorrow because we're going to church. So yes. I love it. I love it. What do you think? If you're interested, just leave a comment down below. And like I said, I do have a coupon code. Everything will be in the description box below. And I love jewelry, of course. Ladies. Ladies out there. Yeah. Thank you, TOPREP, for sending this beautiful necklace. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.